Hey guys, it's Mike here, and welcome back to my another YouTube video. Now, since I got my new PC, thank you guys, I know. Since I got my new PC, I decided to play VALORANT. I've been playing for like a month now, and I've become a really good player. So, I want to teach you guys how to get good at VALORANT. So this is a 1 minute tutorial, by the way, so I have to speak fast, so I can fit this in a short too, but let's go. So agents, right? 2 duelists, 1 support, 1 smoker. So which means I have to fill in the role of a initiator. Can't believe I'm making this whole video just for it to be a 1 minute video. Hey, but I gotta keep their attention, attention span is so short. My viewers, they can't even last like 30 seconds. So essentially what you wanna do is hide and then come out and then shoot at the enemy. Let's see, the door is the enemy. Boom. Okay. Now there's an enemy there. Now watch this. You hide, come out.
Cage triggered.
The other thing you wanna do is that if your teammates have voice chat on, you wanna encourage them a bit. You wanna say something like, "Good luck, you can do it. Watch, they will win." Again, let's use her as an example. Hide. Okay. Hide and then boom. Watch. Hide. Up. Hide. Up. Hide. Up. Hide. Up. Hide. 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 Up. Hide. Up. Hide. Up. Hide. Up. Hide. Up. Hide. See. Watch. Hide.
Here.
Again, like I said, you wanna encourage them.
It's you and me.
Okay, watch. Okay, the mistake I made there was I was not paying attention because what I really care about is making this video in high quality. What I care about is having a good audience and having a good relationship with my audience. Now watch, he's gonna die. Now, the reason why he's going to die here in a second. See, the reason why he died here is because he's black. I don't listen to black woman.
I'm nêm nắp don't nắp.
Watch. Now, I predicted they were going to be there, but I wasn't paying attention. Because, again, what I care about is making this content good.
Oh shit! So, wait, you died?
Hey, what's up guys, it's Mike here. Welcome back to
Fake.
well